Hi! To hide and unhide apps on Samsung Galaxy A36, all you have to do is to open Settings first. Now search for the home screen settings and then scroll down a bit to find this section Hide apps on home and app screens. So just in the list find those apps you want to hide. Let's say it will be Facebook, Camera, and Gallery. And then you will see them in the Hidden Apps section. So to confirm choice, just tap down. And now you won't be able to find those apps on your home screen as well as on your app screens. Also, if you try to use search bar and search for camera, for example, you won't be able to find it. So to unhide those apps, we need to go back in settings, go back in home screen settings, select again this option and tap on minus above the hidden app. Then this section should disappear, so tap down. And after that, you should see those apps in your app screen. So you can just drag it to your home screen like that to add to your home screen. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.